Hi, this is Natasha and welcome to my channel. Welcome back if you've been here before. Well, makeup and fashion are a passion. Today I'm showing you makeup haul that I've collected since from April to now, which is September. So this is everything I've collected, the beauty haul that I've collected in between then. So we're starting off with the Pat McGrath Star Wars makeup palette. Like, I've shown most of this stuff already, so I'm just showing you everything I've collected thus far. And this is how this palette looks in the inside. Isn't it pretty? So I'm not going to swatch it because I've already shown swatches of it already, and it's been shown on YouTube many a times already, also through other YouTubers. But this is how it looks. And I like the fact that the cover and the case itself both shows the same thing. So even if you get rid of the box itself, you still gonna know what it is. Like, so this is the other Pat McGrath. As you can see, if you get rid of the cover, you will not know as to which this palette belongs to. So I have to keep the box cover just to know who it belongs, just which one it belongs to, which collection. Let me see if I can open this. Okay. And this is how this one looks. Very nice. She does some really pretty makeup palettes. I can't say that she's tawdry. She really does a really good job at her craft. Okay, going to Natasha Denona. And this is her Yucca palette. Just like you said. And this is how this one looks. Like I said, I'm not going to swatch these palettes because they've been swatched many times on YouTube. So you can go to any YouTuber and find out how they look swatched. But I don't plan on using these anytime soon, because once you start touching, you start to count down to the decay of these makeup palettes. But this is how this one looks. And that's Natasha Denona. So we got another Natasha Denona palette, and this is the Sunset palette. I know I have some catching up to do on some of her palettes. And this is an old one. I mean, when I say old, this is an old one. This is not. This is one that's been on the market for years now, and I'm just not catching up to it. This is how it looks. And she just like Pat McGrath, do some very pretty makeup palettes. I have to give it to her. And both of them did makeup. Like Natasha Denona used to be a model, so she had to do her own makeup. So she learned how to do her own makeup on herself as a model and how to come up with makeup combinations. So she's really good at it. And Pat McGrath used to do other people's makeup as a makeup artist. So she knew what she was looking for when it came from makeup, putting it on the models. So this is another Natasha Denona, and this one is my dream palette. I still got to get the one that just came out. Yeah, I still got to get that one. And this is how this one looks. Isn't it pretty? As you see, I've not touched any of these because I do not plan on using them anytime soon. So I'm not going to swatch them. Right. And then I got My Santa by Too Faced. If I can open this with one hand. Alright, moving on. Sorry about that. That was my mom that called. This is the My Secret Santa palette by Too Faced. And let's see if I can open this again. Okay, I want to play games. And this is how it looks. Very pretty, isn't it? Let me see if I can turn the light on. Alright, this is how it looks. Very pretty. So I picked up some razors from Sephora for shaving, like the eyebrows. But I don't even shave my eyebrows. So like, what's the sense of getting this? I've never shaved my eyebrows. Never. Isn't that something? I've been in this world all these years and never shaved my eyebrows. Alright, moving on. I picked up this Juliet Has a Gun. And it's her different perfume samples. I really wanted it for this one here, for a travel one. This is Juliet Has a Gun, but not a weapon, I think it is. Let me see here. I know this is her discovery set. I can't recall what the big one is. I think it's not a weapon, or not a gun. Juliet Has a Gun, but not a weapon. I'm not too for sure. Let me see if I can open it and find out. No, I can't get it open with one hand. That's why I bought it, was for the big one here. Alright. So also, as you can see, this is from Sephora. It's a makeup lotion. Can you believe I only got it for like $4? It was on sale. I got me and my niece one for her birthday. Her birthday was in April. Pretty good, isn't it? And it smells good. Trust and believe, it smells good. Alright. So I picked up these nails, Sesame Street, off of Ulta, I mean. And you're supposed to get a lunch bag with it, lunchbox. I didn't even get the lunchbox. And it didn't even say that it was out of lunchbox or whatever. I just didn't get one. And it didn't say that it was out of them. I know it says as supplies last, or up until the promotion is over. But I went back several times and it did not say there was lack of supply. The promotion was not over. I just didn't get one. I can't figure out why. That's the only reason I bought them, because I don't even wear false nails like this. I usually rock my own nails, and my own nails, let's see if you can see it, are pretty long itself. It's about the length of this, as you can see. But these are cute, and I am going to use them since I paid for them. But I wanted that lunchbox. Alright, so we have here Anastasia. See if I can get any closer. Beverly Hills. Let's see, which one is this one? As you can see here, this is one of her newer palettes that she put out this year, I think it was, or last year. Towards the end of last year, beginning of this year. Oh, this is the rose metal. Okay, now I know what I'm saying with that one, because I've been trying to get some more. But I keep questioning myself, like, which one do I already have? Which one do I already have? This is Peak Your Times by Too Faced. See if I can get in here. That is so pretty. That's what it looks like. I was trying to order one of these. Didn't even realize I already had one. I need to start shopping through my stuff more often. Because I'm buying two of everything. And then I have to give one away. It's a good thing I'm going through my makeup supplies again. But that is very pretty. Alright, so then we have Huda Beauty Empowered. Let's see. This is very pretty itself. Like I said, I collect all this between April and September of this year. And this is very gorgeous. I love her makeup products. Alright, so I picked up some more stuff from Too Faced. And this is the mascara. This is the double mascara package. I was trying to go for the 8-pack, but it keeps selling out. So all I could get was the 2-pack one. And that even sold out. I got like the second to the last one. But I want the 8-pack one. The whole year one. Because they make some good mascara. It feels like it's got that fiber stuff in it that makes your eyebrows, your eyelashes just look fuller. Oh well. Right, and this is from Tarte. It came with 2 palettes for the price of one. And that's what that looks like. Okay. Here's some more Pat McGrath. See if I can get this open with one hand. And that's what this looks like. And this is Wee Sherry. Wee Sherry. This is a brand from Macy's. I think this is the Beauty Crop. So the Wishery is from the Beauty Crop. The Strawberry Daiquiri is from the Beauty Crop. And they both are from made for the Macy's store. Very unheard of makeup line. Like you basically have to be on Macy's to hear about it. To really to see about it because it's rarely spoken of. Which why I don't know. Okay, here's another one. And this one is the Sangria by the Beauty Crop. Now I have to do this one. Oh, it's got plastic over it. Right, never mind. It's got plastic over it. And I can't move the plastic. Yeah, I can't get the plastic to move. So never mind. I was going to swatch it. But never mind. Very pretty product. That pink made me want to swatch it. Okay. Here's the other palette from Tarte. Like I said, it was 2 for 1. And this is the second one. It's okay palette. Nothing special. This one is from Too Faced. What is this one called? Born This Way, Sunset Stripped. Striped. My bad. And this is how this one looks. It has a smell to it. It's not a bad smell, but I've never smelled this smell before. Let me sniff. Oh, it smells like perfume. Like I have smelled this before, but I can't place the scent. Yeah, I can't place the scent, but I've smelled it before. Maybe it's like diamonds, because my mom wears a lot of diamonds, or she used to. Maybe that's where it's coming from. It smells like that. It's not a bad scent at all. But I didn't know this one came with a scent. Alright, this one is Pumpkin Spice. I got this on the sale. That is what it looks like. This is an arena. Some of these makeup palettes I had to play catch up with because I hadn't been buying stuff for a long, long time. And I just dug my nail into the purple one. Oh, what was I thinking? This is how it looks with the dent into it for my nails. That is how it looks. Not one of my favorites from them, but I do like to have the collection. These are magnetic lashes. Now, I'm hoping to try this sooner or later. But I have some concerns over the magnetic fluid in it. I keep thinking it might mess up my eyes. So I've been holding off using it in hope that more research has been done to it. Or that more people's going to come up and be like, don't use it because it messed up my eyes. And it'd be best if you don't use it. And I'll be like, dang, I knew it. That's why I haven't used it. So I've been taking my time about using it because I'm not too for sure as to whether or not I should. Oh, I'm just got to hold off a little bit longer. I'm pretty sure I'll get brave enough to try it sooner or later. Who knows? Sooner or later, I might. So I'll also pick this up. This is concealer. I'm not gonna even take it out, it's just concealer. This is the roller for your face. Smooth out your face. That soothes your face. Alright, this one is from Milk Cosmetics. Isn't that pretty? Yup, it is, Tasha. Real pretty. So then I picked this up for traveling. 2 drawers in one because I like to use alcohol on my face because I have such an oily face. And I've tried other stuff and my face just gets more oilier and oilier, and the only way it de-oils for a while is that I use alcohol on my face. And I know some people can't use it because it does damage to their face or it dries up their face very much so, which is the effect that I'm looking for, is for it to dry out my face, but it doesn't dry out my face like that. In fact, I'm told that I look like I'm 32 and I got some age on me. So it's not having any bad effect on me, but that's what I use. So I got these for traveling with my alcohol, and I haven't had a problem with traveling with alcohol in my carry-on so far. So that's what I get these for the alcohol when I'm traveling. Let's see what else I have. And then I bought this here traveling size confidence in a cream, and this is the It Cosmetic. Well, that's all that I have. That was a whole lot, wasn't it though? Look at all this big old mess, all this. Well, depends on when you're watching this. You have a good morning, good afternoon, or good night, and God bless. Bye.